when you feel cute going to work, you don't really mind going to work. Like, honey, when you look good, you feel good. I'm definitely not the naturalist, most natural person on earth. Hey love bugs, it's your girl DizastrousBeauty coming back with the voiceover. So this unit was sent to me by HerGivenHair. Shout out to you, HerGivenHair, for sending me this unit. And yes, honey, I had to show you guys this packaging because to me this packaging was life, girl. Okay, so shout out to y'all. Right here I'm showing you guys the cap construction. This unit does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. And this is a 4x4 lace closure with some bangs, honey, okay? So right here, I am just styling the wig. I applied water and that Cantu custard to it. And yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it, honey. This is easy peasy lemon squeezy. So I'm going to go ahead and let you guys get into it. And if you are interested in any details and specs and other good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. And I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye. Okay, y'all, so I am obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and other good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. So the unit I am rocking is from HerGivenHair. Shout out to you, HerGivenHair, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. If you've been watching me for a little bit now, I have been working with HerGivenHair for a little while now, for some months. And I am definitely feeling their hair. It is super, super natural. Like all of the units I have gotten from them are super natural units. You guys know your girl loves a good kinky, honey, okay? I love a good kinky. So yeah, shout out to you, HerGivenHair. So the unit that I am rocking is a brown yurt Coils ends unit. It says LFW55S. It says the hair texture is coily. The length is 16 inches. The volume is 220 grams, and it is a lace closure unit. And that's basically all they have on the site. They also did send me this little paper, and I love that with them. It says product type lace closure wig 4x4. So this is a closure unit, and I did cut off the lace. But yeah, it did have lace like right there, as I showed you guys like in the very beginning of this video. It says texture coily 3C24A. Hair picture is, the hair color is the picture color. So I will have a picture of it or something like that, a video, something like that on the screen. And the cap size that I am wearing is medium. Let me just see, can you get it in another cap size? So I don't see on here where it comes in a small, medium, or large. Like I think it is more of a one size fit all type of deal. So sorry about it. But I do feel like if you do have a bigger head, you can still make this unit work. And if your head is on the smaller spectrum, which nowadays I do consider mine to be more so on the smaller side. So I do have on a wig grip, and I did adjust the straps and it fits me fine. So I feel like across the board, like small, medium, or large head size, you can make this unit work. So shout out to you, HerGivenHair, okay? Now, as far as shedding or entangling, like I did get a little shedding when I was kind of going through the unit with my product and stuff. I did get some shedding. It wasn't anything that was like hecka outrageous, like it wasn't a big deal, but I do want to mention that I did get some shedding. As far as tangles, honestly, this hair hasn't been really tangly. Like usually when I get really coily units, they are pretty tangly, but this one wasn't really. Like I did hit a few snags here and there, but it wasn't anything to write home about. I do always expect it. Like I kind of compare kinky or coily type of units to my own hair, and I'm used to getting plenty of snags with my own hair, girl. So I always kind of compare them with that. So it wasn't anything to write home about. And yeah, I do like I mentioned that this is a 4x4. So even though it's a banged unit, you can wear it, to the side if you want to. Like you don't have to wear it as a bang. You can put this to the side because you can part this unit. You do have this amount of space right here to wear it how you see fit. Like you don't have to wear it like I'm wearing it. You can part it in the middle. You can part it to the left side. You can part it to the right side. So that is always a plus when it comes to these types of units. Now, let's talk about pricing, honey, okay? Because these units are on the more expensive side. And I think it's more of a, because of how natural it looks, it does give you a way more natural appearance than any other unit that I have. Like when I wear these wigs from this company, people always think it's my hair. Like always. Like like the compliment is always, your hair is so pretty. Like, what do you do to it? It is never, oh my God, girl, I like your wig. You know what I mean? Like I don't care. Either way, like if somebody's telling me they're liking my wig, I'd be like, thanks, boo. And if somebody's telling me they like my hair, I'm gonna say, it's wig, girl, but thank you. You know, and then you go into more depth. But I do notice that when I wear wigs from this company, people always think it's my hair. And I think it's just, you know, it speaks on how natural their hair looks. And yeah, so that's pretty much it as far as details and specs. Obviously, I don't have to do a lint check because, honey, this is it. No Michael Jackson. We can go ahead and get into how I feel about this unit, although I'm pretty sure you already know, as well as products and stuff that I used on this wig. And I'm gonna give you guys a full 360. So if you're interested in all that, honey, then please continue to watch. Okay, so obviously, girl, I am definitely feeling this wig, honey. This is my cup of tea. I actually thought I was gonna have to do some extra stuff to this unit, so I had took it out, and I wasn't even planning on filming it today because I actually have to go to work. So I wasn't actually planning on filming it today, and then when I took it out and saw it was a closure, I was like, oh my God. Yes, Jesus, okay. Yes, I was so happy because I could go ahead and wear it. I have been looking forward to filming this week, and I wanted to wear it. I actually wanted to wear it to work because, yeah, when you feel cute going to work, you don't really mind going to work. Like, honey, another Virgo told me that. Like, this older, gorgeous Virgo nurse that I work with, she was like, honey, I get up an extra hour to go to work just so I can beat my face, because when you look good, you feel good. And I have been applying that to my own life. So I was excited about getting a chance to wear this wig because I have been excited about this unit. I just love, like I said, I love the naturalness of their units. So anyways, I digress. So I was really excited about wearing this wig, and I love this wig. It did not disappoint. I was so glad that was a closure wig. Your girl loves a good closure, honey. Closures are just life for me. And I love that this is a bang wig because that made it even easier. So, like I said, you can part it where you want to. You don't have to wear it as a bang if you don't want to, girl. It will be no problem. But yeah, I love it as a bang unit. And I thought I was gonna have to add a little more to it, but because it is a kinky texture, like, I don't even mind that the bang is, you know, is not super full. You can obviously add more to the bang if you want to, but I wasn't mad at the bang. You can separate the coils a little more and make it a little more, you know, thick, like if you prefer a more, you know, a thicker bang. But I was fine with the bang as is. But you can do it. You can do how you want to, girl. It's your unit. You know what I'm saying? Like, you wear her like you want to wear her because it's yours, girl. It's yours. So yeah, I'm feeling it. It's a look to me. I love their wigs, and I love how they bounce and they flow and just, oh yes, it's just 100% me. I love the color of this unit. Yeah, I'm feeling it. It's me, girl. Like, it's me. I'm feeling it. So let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. Would you rock her? Do you feel like she's worth your points? Let me know down below, and I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360, and we can rock this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. This is it on the right side. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Are you feeling it? Is it a vibe for you, girl? Do you love her like I love her? Let me know down below in the comments. As far as what I used on it, I just wet the unit and then I applied some of my custard, the Cantu Shine custard, because that was all I had. And I did apply a little oil to the ends because the ends were drier. I actually got that from watching Wigs to Waist Lengths video from a unit from this company. And yeah, honey, she slayed. Lord, please remind me to put a card or something in here because I want you guys to check out her video as well. She always gives really helpful tips, and she definitely slays, girl. So yeah, y'all, that definitely is it. If you're feeling this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, y'all, that's it. Give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions that you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both the IG and Facebook. I'm held to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.